We stood at the wrong place. Now we have to run till S6. We have to run till S6. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lakshmi and I make content on travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty and much more. Today is day 3 and the final day of our Goa trip. It's 7:45 now. I woke up, had a bath, wore the traditional dress, yet to do some makeup, and then we are going to go to my mother's friend's place for breakfast, and then we have Pooja in the afternoon in the temple. So we'll go there and come back to temple. And after that, we'll have our lunch here and we'll leave this place at 2 because the train is at 4. And 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock we'll reach Udupi. I've gotten ready, put on some makeup, and this is my outfit of the day. This is a Rajasthani printed dress, again from Amazon for 600 bucks. You get tall as well with this. Yeah. What is Guruji wearing? This is what Guruji is wearing today. Yellow color shirt, cream pant, and that's his OOTD. चलो मंदिर चलते, हर जगह कपड़े हैं. चलो मंदिर चलते हैं. I went inside the temple. Now we are waiting to go to the uncle's house. There's a good view here. See, there's a very good view. A lot of forest. So you see that Coca-Cola thing? That is one shop. And that where the auto is parked, that is also another shop. Those shops haven't opened yet. It's almost 9 o'clock. Close by another shop is open. The other 2 shops have opened. Okay. And here downstairs is the temple canteen. We are going outside to uncle's house for breakfast. I want to vlog there. Surendra Kamath uncle had come to pick us up from SHIRODA Kamakshi Temple and then took us to his house. We had a great time at Surendra Kamath uncle's house. It was great hospitality and he served us very good food. Uncle then took us to SHIRODA Kamakshi Temple and waited till we came back. So we had a great darshan because of him. So we reached SHIRODA Kamakshi Temple. This is another temple here. This is SHIRODA Kamakshi. This is further away from Ponda, about 20-25 minutes from Ponda. The temples look alike. There is a mountain kind of a thing behind. Very beautiful. This is the goddess Prasad. This is called Vaina. It is a traditional way of Goan style to tie the flowers this way, and it is worn by the woman in their hair. The temple photography, videography is not allowed, so we taking a round outside the temple. This is the main entrance. Kamakshi Sabha Mandap. Shanta Durga temple. Shanti Kamakshi temple, Ramnathi. We reached here. We'll try Birindi Kokam juice here in this shop outside Hotel Nita Cafe. Here they serve good Birindi soda, it seems. We'll try here. This is Kokam soda. Kokam, also called as Birindi, is very famous in Goa. You can buy Kokam syrup in two variants, one to make juices and another one to make Kokam saru or Kokam sambar. So this place where we drank this Kokam soda is right at the beginning of going to Shanti Kamakshi temple in Ponda. Kokam juice taste was very good, and misal is also good. They just give misal. It's more like masal puri kind of. Yeah, misal is also good, but masal puri, I accept the puri. There is no puri in that. So masala kind of misal it is called. That is also good there in that hotel. We came to room and we are lying down here. It's hot and humid. You go out, you are extremely tired. That is Guruji lying down there. Yes, we are going to temple again after resting for some time. We'll go to temple, have lunch here in some temple canteen. Let's go to temple for puja. The Mangalarti, Mahamangalarti is at 12:30 in the afternoon, and then we'll have lunch and come back. Here is the lunch. Our folks are here. We reached the room. I'll give the room tour. So this is how you come. This is room number 12. You enter here. It's a big room. This is a table when you enter. There are 2 beds and 2 chairs. Then we got 2 extra beds here, and we 4 of us slept in the same room. This big is the room. Okay. Then you have a doorway here, and then again this big. Is this huge? This huge, and here you have a mirror. You have a geyser, and you have a bathroom. Bathroom and the toilet together. You have a wash basin kind of a thing here. Here is a balcony. Balcony view is very good. The balcony view is very good. Bathroom is fitted with geyser, and here we have AC as well. So very well equipped, very nice. This is what I am wearing. This is a shirt and this is a pant. This is what Guruji is wearing. That is our luggage, and we leave to the railway station now. Our gang. Everybody's waiting. There were about 20 people, so we had booked a bus. So this bus took us from Ponda and dropped us at Madgaon railway station. Madgaon Junction. That is that prepaid taxi counter here. If you haven't watched the video that how we reached Goa from Udupi, I will leave a link in the I button as well as description box. Also, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. We have a reservation. We have booked in sleeper class today, so we have a reservation. It's not general ticket, general compartment. For last minute plans, you can always book general compartment tickets, and you can travel by that. So it's just 4 hours journey, right? So you can manage by sitting. One thing I'd like to mention about Goan food is we did have some difficulty in finding good vegetarian restaurants, good vegetarian food in Goa. Near our temples, definitely you can find vegetarian food. But in the northern side of Goa, the North Goa part, it's a little difficult to get good vegetarian food. Also, food is generally costlier in Goa, be it veg or non-veg. Train is at 4 o'clock and it will reach at 8 o'clock to Udupi. This is Nizamuddin Express, which is coming from somewhere else. बस नाम एक्सप्रेस है, उसमें ना हर स्टॉप है. Every stop is there, it seems. It's just namesake that it's an express.
If you show your hand in between the track also, they will stop.
No, that is not some bus, dude. To show your hand and they will stop. We bought one badam milk and some biscuits. So many shops here in this railway station. So many different types of shops. There is a waiting room, ladies waiting room also. Then there are some restaurants also. This is a restaurant. The next one is also a restaurant. Train is here. Train. Ernakulam to Nizamuddin. Why? General. This is general class sitting ticket. AC 1 है. एक कलर ना से बड़ा है. यहाँ 2 टायर. We stood at the wrong place. Now we have to run till S6. We have to run till S6. Stood at the wrong place. Too much confusion. Too much confusion. Yeah, finally we boarded the train. Some are already sitting, some are not ready to get up. Too much confusion. The last time we traveled to Goa from Bangalore, that was also by train, and we spent about 8 days there. So if you haven't watched those videos, there's a playlist. I'll leave a link of all of that in the I button. Also, please do subscribe. And if you're liking this video, please do hit that like button. It will definitely motivate me. Uno is going on here. Five jale one, that is blue one, red ka one, okay, that is skip, so he is not going to play, she is going to put. Reverse gal hai, atto me red gala or +2 or reverse bhi. Only these both are playing. Oh, red नाम है. They जाए ना. Now it's time to get down. Playa. Video. We finally reached Udupi. The train is fully crowded. It came from Delhi. It's going to Tamil Nadu. Yes, we are walking back. Now we'll go to Woodlands Hotel or Shanti Sagar Hotel for dinner, I guess. On reaching here, right, you have prepaid taxis. So you come outside the railway station, take a right and come down. You have prepaid taxis, you have prepaid autos, so you can take that. They will charge you what is standard price, and thus you don't end up paying too much. See, this is the auto prepaid. That's our folks going over there at the end. The taxi people, there's no prepaid. There's prepaid taxi counter also. Wow. See, prepaid taxi counter. This is prepaid auto counter. If it's a close by distance, you can take an auto. So this railway station is very well connected. You tell the distance, you pay the price. You have to stand in the queue. This is our hotel. Hotel Shanti Sagar. This is the restaurant. Hotel Shanti Sagar. This is what? This is AC hall. This is my my mother's masala dosa in Shanti Sagar hotel. You can start eating. She was about to eat and we stopped her from eating. Yes, now she will eat and tell. Her shawl is very nice. Oh, by the way. Yes, sir. Super gay. Oh, it's very crispy, she says. Very nice it seems. There, our other gang is eating. This is our veg mancho soup 2x4. It's really good. Mushroom pepper dry and baby broad. It's our butter kulcha, paneer butter masala, kaju masala. Yes, my cold badam milk.
Very salt also. It's very salt.
This is their lime soda. It is good. So yes, we reached home. Finally, I had a bath and that was so refreshing. It felt so sticky in the bus, in the train. It was so sticky and the train was very dirty. We, did not raise a complaint. That was mistake on our part. This train started at yesterday morning, the previous day from Delhi, and it is going to go to Tamil Nadu. This was day 2 of that train. It was very dirty, very dirty. See, railway department can clean the train, but who maintains the train? The people inside the train should maintain the train, not like going and dirtying everything everywhere. The trash is thrown everywhere. That is not railway department's problem. That is our problem. We lack civic sense. That's not their problem. So that bad was the state, and the wash basins were filled with, they threw garbage inside wash basin and that clogged the drains. And then the washroom was another horrible experience. One of us entered and then nobody wanted to go. So people should learn civic sense. People should not throw garbage everywhere. People should not dirty the trains. It's a government property. It's their property. You're paying taxes for it. And if you dirty that, then what's the point? Your money is getting wasted there. So there's no point in damaging the government property, right? With that note, let's have some civic sense and not dirty places, be the trains or the roads or wherever. That's one thing I wanted to tell as a part of this train journey. I hope you enjoyed the Goa series, the 3-day Goa series. And if yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, a big thumbs up. And until I see you next time, take care. And whoever comments first, I will pin that comment. Take care. Thanks for watching and bye.